My name is Damien Roman. I'm the Managing Director of EVU Nutrition, and we're here to represent our new brand, MEIJITO. The reason why we came with this new formulation is because we both, as founders, suffered with gut-related issues for literally decades, and we tried so many different brands on the market. Nothing really worked as we wished. Because in the form the probiotics come like powders and tablets, and the reason it doesn't work is because they get destroyed by our acids as they get into the acidic environment. So we came with the idea to develop something different, which comes in a liquid form, and it travels fast to our GI, and it gets to where it's supposed to be getting to. It is very important to look after your gut these days because of the products that we consume on a regular basis. So a lot of people suffer with gut-related issues such as bloating, candida overgrowth, yeast infection. So it is very important to supplement your diet, and this is why we developed MEIJITO in a liquid form. So it can help to rebalance your gut microbiome and the gut microflora, so you don't get symptoms like a foggy brain and bloating and a lot of people excessive gas and things like that. MEIJITO product, it comes in a liquid form, and it should be taken early morning, 15 minutes before breakfast ideally. And because it comes in a liquid form, it travels fast to your intestinal tract, and it's basically start working its magic and rebalance your microbiome and regrow your good beneficial bacteria in your gut. MEIJITO comes in original flavor, ginger and lemon, and what comes difference is we never use any artificial ingredients, no artificial sweeteners, coloring or flavoring, so it's all organic ingredients that we use in our production. This is our first time exhibiting at a Speciality food fair here in London, and it's a great place, great atmosphere. We are very happy to be here. We are very excited to bring MEIJITO as a brand to UK marketplace, and we hope to resolve as many issues as possible when related to gut health, and we looking to impact as many people's lives in the UK as possible.